she don't mean nothing. Stop vex up your face. I'm so horny right now. Cock it up for me, babes. Girl walk round in her jaws. Cock it up for me, babes. I skin it out for me, babes. And turn it back way for me, babes. You want play then a rough way we play. Hold on now. You want the big time art. Brace on your man like
couldn't make a video here without me actually giving you some facts. Some Vybz Kartel facts. I want you to get a pen and a paper because enough boy I talk up and I talk up. But listen, I want you to get a pen and a paper because I want you to check every single thing that I'm about to give you. Information I'm about to give you in this right that's all. Right? So, I don't know Training Wheel. Training Wheel, the song when Kartel sing recently. Training Wheel, them still aware training wheel. And the man said, I'm here to train, I'm not here to talk. Yeah. Where the fuck them feel like? You know, sister, them still aware training wheel. Wonder if the member say pain is real. You know, sister, them still aware training wheel. Yam them food dog, beer kids meal. No, sister, them still aware training wheel. But who can't hear will feel? Who can't hear will feel? That song there, may I give you some facts about training wheel right now that is undisputable. So somebody said to me the other day, them say, yo, SouFLoTV, please do something on Vybz Kartel videos. Why multiple people are uploading, like, say the man put out training wheel and then 10 different people upload training wheel and we can't get a definite stats on it. Like, you know, some youth them upload them thing and you go check them thing and you can say, alright, that youth here, him get 100,000 views on this one song already in a 1 week. Vybz Kartel, anything him upload, multiple sites have it. Let me give you some stats about training wheel. The people them say them I wonder why. Why so many people? And the way I explained it is this. Kartel they are in prison right now. He's not out to monitor his thing. Right? The people that are monitoring his thing, I don't know if they're looking at this as a way to make him thing reach a wider audience. I don't know if they're looking at it as a way for it to reach more people from many different angles. I don't know what their marketing scheme is concerning the boss music and them thing there. What I do know, in my own opinion though, is that me think Vybz Kartel should actually have all our music uploaded to his Vivo channel only. And then that would force everybody to have to go to the Vivo channel and view a song like Training Wheel. And that's the only place you could get Training Wheel. Right? But get a pen and paper, get a calculator. Nowadays everybody have smartphone and the smartphone them have a calculator upon it. So click to your calculator on your smartphone and do the maths with this. So we're going to maths up the thing right now. Right? So Training Wheel, 4 weeks. 4 weeks after Training Wheel was released, right? 4 weeks, 1 month. Watch this. A boy said Training Wheel release and he say 27,000 views after 4 weeks. I don't know where you was looking, hombre. Check this out. May I give you the stats right now. Go and check. I want you to first go to War Star Dancehall. Go War Star Dancehall and find Training Wheel. At War Star Dancehall, Training Wheel have 283,531 views. 4 weeks after Training Wheel release, I get these data and I give it to you. And I want you to match up the thing. Alright? And then tell me in the comment section how much Training Wheel garnered in 1 month, 4 weeks. And you say, Vybz Kartel now run road hard and now run the place. Joe can make. Watch this. Jarvis Crush Road. Jarvis Crush Road have a Training Wheel. 301,134 views at Jarvis Crush Road. Go and go look it up on YouTube. Don't take my word for it. Every one of them when me give me one, you go look it up. Dancehall Dope Boy. Big up Dancehall Dope Boy. 158,147 training wheel have pan dancehall dope boy. Alright? 21st Happy Loss. 21st Happy Loss have 19,500 views. Akam Entertainment, big up Akam. Akam Entertainment, 24,577 views for training wheel from Vybz Kartel. DJ Zero, big up yourself DJ Zero. DJ Zero have 22,886 views on training wheel. CDs and things have training wheel. CDs and things have training wheel. 15,582 views for training wheel. DJ Sean Record Production, 3,572 views for training wheel. Ricciano Sereno, 833. Ricciano Sereno have up 833 views. Hear me I say, if you want to see all the words for training wheel written out properly, type in Ricciano, R-I-C-I-A-N-O, Ricciano Sereno on YouTube, C-I-R-I-N-O. You're going to have up 833 views on training wheel. But I him write it out the best, word for word. Raheem Chambers has 2,591 views on training wheel. WBT Empire. WBT Empire has 27,997 views on training wheel to this point. And what I want to do for right now is I want to match up the thing and tell me in 4 weeks how much views has training wheel garnered altogether. Alright? Now moving right along, I'm going to give you my favorite Vybz Kartel song before I get out of here tonight. And my favorite Vybz Kartel song so far is, at this point, is She Don't Mean Nothing. Stop vex up your face. I'm so horny right now. Yo, you know the one there? The one that named Brace Back. The man said, I'm so horny right now. Girl walk round in her drawers. So cock it up for me babes. Skin it out for me babes. Turn it back way for me babes. You want play then a rough when we play. Hold on now. You want the beat time art. Brace pan your man like picture on a wall. Goody good girl, you have it all. Brace pan your man like picture on a wall. You know girl can't kick, you know football. Bumper the round like round of applause. Wifey a road in a house and abroad. Anywhere you step, like angel a walk. Now beg a girl a dollar for she take it and talk. Up in the video passing them remarks. Girl your body good with your original parts. Looking at my blood clot heart. Alright, SouFLoTV, may I let you know that one day, hear me? And what I would like for y'all to do is click the link in the description and go and go watch that video there. Show your real support to SouFLoTV. We're out here, man, and we're doing the thing, right? So the like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't forget to go and subscribe also to Brains and the Beat. I mean, Brains and the Beat I do the thing still. If you don't see the video yet, people have them things for say. But of course, you're always going to have criticism, right? In anything what we do. So, we did do a video shoot the other day and the video is up on the channel. It's going well. Thank you for those of you who have tuned in and I said things like she's sex in a backside and all these things. But remember how far Brains and the Beat come from are the same person that will win the SouFLoTV Crush competition. And from there, so we are work together till now, right? And we will continue to work together so we're not going to say more things are come. Alright, so we're going to support the thing, man. Link in the description. Click that. It's SouFLoTV. Like that. Share that. Subscribe. I'm out of here. Peace.